Hello everyone, welcome all of you to the discussion of NSEJS paper where I am going to take up the mathematics part. Here code for this paper is JS 511. So we are going to take up the first question, which is question number 41. It states that let AB be a diameter of circle C1 of radius 30 cm and with center O. Two circles C2 and C3 of radii 15 cm and 10 cm can touch C1 internally at A and B respectively. A fourth circle C4 touches C1, C2 and C3. What is the largest possible radius of C4? So here you need to figure out the largest possible radius of this fourth circle C4 out of these four options. So here when I consider the given conditions of the question, here you can see that I have the circle C1. This is the largest circle C1 of the radius 30 cm. Here I have this circle with the center Q and it is having the radius of 15 cm. So it is touching the circle at point A. Here I have another circle C3 which is touching this previous circle at B and it is having the radius of 10 cm. Now I need to draw here the fourth circle where it touches all these three circles. So there may be a possibility that the fourth circle overlaps this circle, the largest circle C1 of the radius 30 cm. But as the name is provided in this question, that here we have the circle C1, C2, C3 and C4. Four distinct names are there. That's why we cannot consider this case that fourth circle is overlapping over C1. We need to think about something else. Here we can consider this case where this circle is touching the circle of the radius 10 cm externally and it is touching this circle internally at point A. So this condition is satisfying all the given conditions of the question. And when you see this, here it is having the radius or the diameter, this will be equal to 30 because this circle has the radius of 15 cm. Here this portion is equal to 20 because here I have this circle of the radius 10 cm and AB is measuring here 60 cm because the circle C1 has the radius 30 cm. So this remaining portion is left out as 30, 50 being subtracted from 60 resulting as 10. This gives me diameter of this largest possible circle as 40 cm. So according to the four options provided here, you can clearly see that if the diameter is 40 cm, its radius will be equal to 20 cm. So out of these four options, you can clearly see that your answer for this question is option C. You can mark here the answer is C. I hope this question is clear to you. Now let's proceed to our next question. Now let's discuss question number 42. It states here that a 5 into 5 into 5 cube is built using unit cubes. How many different cuboids that differ in at least one unit cube can be formed using the same number of unit cubes? So here you need to figure out the number of different sized cuboids which could be formed using the unit cubes of this 5 into 5 into 5 cube. So here basically along the length we have 5 unit cubes, along the breadth and height also we have 5 unit cubes. So when you are choosing the cuboid, you can take any one unit cube as 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 unit cubes along the length, or else you can take 1, 2, 3 or 5 unit cubes along the breadth as well as height. So I can write here taking length as 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 unit cubes. Similarly, for breadth, similarly for breadth and height. And based on this selection, the required number of cubes or the cuboid. Based on this selection, the required number of cuboids will be given by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and cube of that. All these possibilities. When you simplify this, this is cube of 15, that is 3375. So the required answer for this question is 3375, which is clearly found here in option D. So I can mark here the answer for this question is option D. So, the correct answer for this question is option D. I hope it is clear to you. Now let's proceed to our next question.